Alright, now we're going to replace the cabin filter on the 2014 Ford Escape. So for this model, it's not behind the glove box. So it's going to be underneath the glove box in this housing over here. So some Ford and Mazda have it underneath the glove box on the left side. So that's what we're going to get. Looks like there's a screw holding it. So let's identify the fastener and see which tools that we're gonna need to go get it. All right, so we've identified the fastener holding it. It's a T20. So let's get a swivel and a 1/4 inch ratchet to get to it. So here we go. All right, so we got it out, tiny bolt. Now it looks like we have to pinch these two tabs together. All right, these two tabs over here, the cover should come out. Now we could see our cabin filter. Should be able to pull it out. We have to fight with it a bit. Now we have our replacement ready right here. So as you saw, we had to kind of fight to get it out. So we're going to take off this cover over here. So if we pull on it, we'll see where it's blocking. So there is some tabs here. Looks like we could just pull them out. There's one. There's the other one. This whole piece should come out now. Looks like there's still something else. Alright, so looking at the back, there's nothing else holding it. So let's just pull and see. Alright, free. Should have room to insert our new cabin filter. Alright, looks like we have no other choice but to kind of bend it like this so it could actually fit. This is kind of the disadvantage of having a really bad design. They put it in a spot where it's really hard to fit, and the same thing happened when we took out the old one. We had to kind of bend it and fight with it, so we're gonna have to do the same with this one. All right, now that it's in, sometimes we have to make things ugly to make it work. So as long as it's not sticking out in all the way, now we could put back the cover. And that's it, we're all done for the cabin filter on a 2014 Ford Escape. A bit harder than the other ones, but still could manage.